The third-generation, four-wheel drive Ford Focus RS is the latest model to receive its treatment. The package of upgrades includes drivetrain and chassis modifications that, according to company founder Iain Litchfield, not only make the Focus RS faster, but also more comfortable and better to drive on bumpy roads. Litchfield's Stage 2 engine upgrade, made up of a remap, a bigger intercooler and uprated exhaust system, increases the engine output to 410 bhp and 410 pounds-foot, gains of 65 bhp and 60 pounds-foot over the standard car. The chassis upgrades, meanwhile, are more intriguing still. Having worked closely with renowned suspension experts KW, Litchfield has developed a damper package that still works with the Focus RS's switchable suspension modes. That means a Litchfield-upgraded Focus RS still offers its driver the choice of normal, sport and track suspension settings, which can be toggled via the usual button. In all three modes, Litchfield's damper upgrade has been tuned to offer enhanced ride comfort and bump absorption, which should make the car better equipped to deal with tricky British back roads.